Hey guys, welcome to GoGo Motoring YouTube channel. So, I was only hoping to have 3 videos related to the convertible roof issue that my 2003 BMW Z4 3.0 I was experiencing. The first one being, the issue itself, the second one being the diagnosis, and the third one being the cure. Well, unfortunately, the third video is not the last video to this saga, okay? Let me show you a couple of videos that are going to demonstrate what the problem's been.
All right, go. You pushing the button? Oh, yep. It's stuck right there? Oh, no. Will it go any further?
So when the roof stopped working again, I ended up taking it back to the mechanic, and then we learned that the left hydraulic cylinder hinge needed to be replaced. And at that point, I just made the decision of, you know what, obviously replace the left hydraulic cylinder hinge, let's go ahead and replace the roof motor. And it was one of those things that I was debating whether to replace all 3 when the issue first came up, and consider a lesson learned, I decided not to, so I ended up just replacing the right cylinder hinge and left the other parts intact, and then those other 2 parts, or at least the left hydraulic cylinder hinge, stopped working, so I went ahead and replaced everything. So that's a lesson learned for everybody. I think there's always a little bit of a debate about whether you should do some preventative maintenance or not, but based on this experience, if I do it all over again and I had an issue with one part of the roof not working, I'd probably go ahead and make the investment and replace all the 3 parts, because they were manufactured at the same time, and if one of them has failed, then chances are the other 2 are gonna follow as well. And then the other lesson, I think this ties into the video that I filmed earlier about whether you should buy a high mileage BMW. I think you should, but if you make that decision, you gotta have the commitment to make the fixes when the need arises. Keep in mind that you're paying a lot less for the car than you would if you bought the car brand new, but at the same time, you can't just look at the purchase price. You have to understand that, okay, some parts are going to break, I'm going to have to make some investment to keep the car running. In the long run, you're still going to come out ahead. You're not going to spend anywhere near as much money as you would buying a brand new car and having it depreciate, but that was a perfect example of an investment that needed to be made, that wasn't cheap, but still a worthwhile investment in my opinion, because I really enjoy driving the car, and now I've got a brand new roof, and that's that. So appreciate your watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks guys.